Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to open up a Starling Bank account online. So it's super quick and mostly done through your phone or computer. So simply start by going to the Starling Bank website. So in the top right corner, simply click Apply Now. You will then be able to see options for the type of account you want to open. So Starling offers personal accounts for everyday banking, business accounts for companies, and sole trader accounts if you run your own small business. So simply pick the one that best fits your needs, and the process is pretty much the same for most of them. So next, Starling will then ask if you're a new customer or an existing Starling customer. So this is important because it changes what info the bank already has on file. So if you're an existing customer, Starling can pre-fill some of your details and skip certain verification steps, which makes the application way faster. So if you're a new customer, you simply have to start from scratch and provide all your personal details, name, phone number, date of birth, address, and so on. Either way, you complete your identity verification with a photo of your ID or passport and even sometimes a quick selfie to confirm it's really you. And after that, you then have to set up your login credentials, PIN, and any security features. And once your application is approved, your account is pretty much ready to use. You can start depositing money, making payments, and even managing your finances right from the Starling app. So it's really that simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.